Welcome to Peace in the Valley, where adventure starts at home.
Hey everyone, guess what? I just got something new in for the tractor, and I think the tractor's gonna have some fun. Okay, let's check it out. Let's turn the light on. Okay, let's find out what this is and see. Ooh, nice. Come on around here. You can see it too. What is it? It is a hydraulic Toplink. Not sure what the styrofoam is for. It's all damaged. So, we are going to have an upcoming video. So, I need you to like and subscribe to our channel so you can watch when this gets installed. The new hydraulic Toplink on the RK25 tractor. Come and join me. We'll have it up soon. Take care.